So within our user form, things are looking really good. Everything looks nice and organized, and we have all the controls functioning properly. For example, if we put in a new item number, specify the type, choose the size, choose the color, set a price, and click Add, everything works as it should. But if we wanted to add a new item, we would have to go back inside each of these controls and change the values. Well, to prevent manually having to clear each control every time we add a new item, we can add some more code to our Add Button module that clears all the values within these controls after inserting a new item. So let's exit out of our user form, double-click the Add button, and at the very end of this sub, after it inserts all the values into each column, we can clear the control values. So we need to type in the name of each control and set it equal to blank. So the first control was the item text box, and we can make this equal to open quotes, close quotes, which is blank. And then for the option buttons, we can type in type 1 OB equals, well, we can't put blank for the option buttons because the option buttons only store values that are true or false. So if we want these option buttons to be unchecked after adding a new item, we need to set these equal to false. Same thing for type 2 option button. And then the size combo box equals blank. Color combo box equals blank. And lastly, the price text box equals blank. And that's it. So now if we go back to our user form, fill out the controls, and click Add, it added our new item, but then it cleared out all of our controls. And then we can start the process all over again, but starting from a blank user form. So that's how you can clear values of controls within your user form.